Am I doing right?
Yeah. Keep doing. Down and up, down and up. See this little man is fixing our springboard.
Oh,
So the battery down the bottom is just a plastic thing. We bought
wait. Are you? Am I trying to? Am I trying to take this off?
yeah, yeah,
Like the.
yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, just keep. Yeah. So we just press that one, apply pressure, and then just turn, and then bring it down, up and down, until it will come off. Yeah, keep going. And then after that, you have to remove the other side. Okay?
That one?
Yes.
How do I know if it's finished? If it.
It will just come off.
Oh, it's stuck.
You do it again.
Is it okay? Ow! 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 Yeah, so, nope. Okay, and this.
Yeah, hold the door.
So.
Make sure that it is slided in.
Yeah, there.
Yep. Yep. You did the right thing, buddy. Keep going. So John Matrix is now
Dang it!
handyman. Yeah, we'll clean your fingers with it.
Dirty.
Yeah. If you want to be a trained person.
But give me gloves, like smaller gloves.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy you the smaller ones.
Today?
Yeah.
Or tomorrow? It's almost there.
And I think you can turn it by your hand. You see? Take it up.
Yeah, you can.
See? See? Turn it by your hand. That way. Yes. So, yeah.
Do the other side?
Yeah. Take the other side. So, this is the one.
Okay.
So, take the other one out, right?
Yeah, I did. No, this is the new one, okay?
Yeah. So, let me see your mic. Is this your mic?
Yeah.
Green?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So, it's putting back on. Are we gonna replace
Hey, can you hold it? The door?
one side? Only the one side is broken, so he's putting back on. So you should apply pressure here. So while pushing, yes, until you heard clicking. Or you can turn this one, sir. See? No, no, that way. Up your opposite direction. Up. Yes, so you can turn this one by your hand.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
But hold it firmly here. Okay. So see the screw?
It's kind of hard.
Huh?
Kind of
see?
hard.
See, it's turning.
It gets tighter and tighter.
Yep. And then if it's tight, you should just press here, apply pressure, yep, and then up and down. This one.
Why did I press that?
Like that, just hold. Okay, okay, I will hold. Okay, all you have to do is just bring up and down. Okay. Yeah, keep going. Is it good fun?
Mm-hmm. And I have to do the other side.
Yeah, and we have to change the other side, okay?
Yeah.
Because only one side is broken. It's just a plastic.
So if it's tight, it's done?
Yep. Now I will push it down, yep.
This is hard.
Yeah, until it stops, the screw is all the way in. You will feel it a bit tight.
It don't feel that much tight.
Yep.
Kind of tight, not
until you feel it a bit harder.
Ah.
See that? Yep, yep, that's it. Yep, yep. So now that's okay.
Yeah.
Yes, now we have to put the other
Yeah,
side.
the other side.
You do the other side.
The broken one was
Yeah.
you can take it off, like the bottom will like go.
Does it work? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good?
Mm.
No, you can be a trader. You see? Yes.
You pull it, Daddy.
Yeah, that's the new stuff.
You pull it, Daddy. You pull it.
Show me. See? That's how it works. Yeah. Congratulations. Good. Thumbs up. Oh, very good.